Run, run, run. No, that's not the whole backyard. Can you run?
By the slide. All around.
Go to the slide. Say, look at me, Daddy. Go to the fence. Now go over there by the big willow tree. Where's the willow tree?
Over here, Olivia. Over this way.
Go run. Just run everywhere. Run, run, run for Daddy.
Run over here. That's the willow tree over there.
Uh-huh. Can you run?
Get it.
Oop. Oh my. Do we need to get you some new knees? Come here. You're okay. Say I'm okay. Okay. Can you gallop? Can you step on your shadow? Get it. Get your shadow. Get your shadow. You gonna get my shadow?